Hello, John and everyone. Thanks for the chance to give you a little snapshot of our project. We wanted for this project to interrogate the issue of textbook quality. So there's some misconceptions out there about the relationship between the cost of a textbook and how good it is. This was kind of a difficult thing to even approach because there's not a lot written about textbook evaluation, and that the studies that have been done typically are very instructor-centered, and they often just rely upon these arbitrary criteria that instructors like in their textbooks. So we wanted to take an approach to this where we gave power to our students to determine what makes a quality textbook and to evaluate textbooks for the course while they were taking it. So the context for this study is a project management class in a master's doctoral level program in instructional psychology and technology. What we did is we took 8 textbooks that are commonly used in the field to teach project management, and throughout the first half of the semester, the students' project was to create an evaluation mechanism for these textbooks and to actually evaluate them from the student perspective. Of these 8 textbooks, 2 were open. We did multiple levels of evaluation. We started with memoing, then we did broad criteria that were more objective, but then as we got deeper, we relied more on value judgments of the students and got into deeper criteria, things like the quality of writing, the use of illustrations, and those kinds of things. And then we ended it by having the students do summative evaluation of each of the textbooks as well. For the broad evaluations, they applied it to all the textbooks, but for the deep evaluations, that required them to actually read the textbooks in depth, and so they restricted that to the textbooks that were of the highest quality from the broad evaluations. So our results from this were that the top rated textbook in project management, based upon how our students evaluated them, was an open textbook. The other open textbook in our study was ranked 5th out of 8. From this, we can deduce that OER can be of the same quality as expensive textbooks. So the OER textbook in this case beat out $70 or $100 textbooks, but that's not a given. Just like any textbook, OER can be of high quality or they could just be run-of-the-mill. But there's no reason from this to believe that OER are necessarily any worse than the textbooks that we're paying tons of money for. Thank you.